Hey guys, this video is for you if you are a 4th sem VTU student writing M4 internal exam or VTU Semester exams. And this video is from the video series that we are doing on 18 scheme M4 subject. And this includes the solutions to the most asked or the most repeated questions in the VTU Semester exam. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos and share this video with your other friends. Also watch this video till the end to know about our M4 video scanner. So, another question. 2% of the fuses manufactured are found to be defective. Okay. Find the probability that a box containing 200 fuses contains no defective fuses, 3 or more defective fuses. Okay. So, this is again, we don't know which kind of probability distribution we should use. So, let's see. Let's follow our procedure. Okay. So, first procedure is observe what is being asked. Okay. So, the focus is on number of defective fuses, because we are asked about no defective fuse or 3 or more defective fuse or like something like that. Okay, so we need a random variable to represent number of defective fuses. So let x be the random variable that represent number of defective fuses. Okay, so x is a random variable and number of defective fuses is not a decimal. There are no 3.5 defective fuses or something like that. Okay, so we are counting the number of defective fuses. So since we are counting, it is a discrete random variable. X is a discrete random variable. So if it is discrete random variable, this experiment has to follow one of the two discrete distributions we know. Okay, in our syllabus there are only two discrete probability distributions. Okay, either it will be binomial or it will be Poisson. Okay, so how do you check if it is binomial Poisson? Okay, next, what else is given? So 2% of the fuses manufactured are found to be defective. Okay, so probability that a fuse is defective. Okay, so that is what is given here, right? So 2% of the fuses are manufactured, 2 in 100 fuses are, 2% means 2 in 100 fuses are defective. Okay, or probability that a fuse is defective is 2 in 100 or 0.02. Okay, so we have a very small probability and we need to check a box containing 200 fuses. Okay, so number of fuses, we need to check. Taken for this experiment is n is equal to 200. Okay, so we have a very large n, a very small p. So it is not a binomial, it is Poisson, because in binomial the probability function is ncx and we cannot do 200c3 something like that. Okay, so if you have very large, either one of this condition is enough to go for Poisson. Okay, probability is very small, 0.02, and n is very large, so we'll choose Poisson. Okay, so what is Poisson? We know probability mass function or probability function in Poisson distribution is probability of x is m power x e power minus m by x factorial. Okay, so what is m here? M is the mean. M is the product of NP. So M is nothing but mean or average number of defective fuses in this experiment, or in 200 fuses, out of 200 fuses. So that is nothing but M is equal to NP, that is 200 into 0.02, that will be 4. So M is equal to 4 is, we derived M is equal to 4 from the given information M, P and N. So let us substitute M here. So probability of x is 4 power x e power minus 4 by x factorial. So this is a probability function and we need to use this probability function to find the probability that 200 fuses have contain no defective fuses or 3 or more defective fuses. Okay, so let's solve the first one, no defective fuses. So probability of no defective fuses is x equal to 0, because x is number of defective fuses. No defective fuses means 0 defective fuses. So probability that x is 0, that's what we need to find. So probability of x is 0, how do you find that? Substitute x equal to 0 in place of x here. This is a probability function for Poisson distribution, right? So probability, x, if you substitute x equal to 0, that is 4 power 0 e power minus 4 over 0 factorial, because x is 0. So this is nothing but 4 power 0 is 1 into e power minus 4 as it is. 0 factorial is 1. So what is e power minus 4? Use your calculator. Probability that x equal to 0 is e power minus 4 is 0.0183. Okay, so there is very less chance. There is like 1% or 2% chance, or there is 0.0183 probability that out of 200 fuses, no defective fuses are found. Okay, so we'll solve the next question. Next question is, the second one is 3 or more defective fuses. Okay, so how do you find 3 or more defective fuses? So 3 or more means probability of x greater than or equal to 3, right? Because number of defective fuses, x is number of defective fuses. So 3 or more defective means x is greater than or equal to 3. This is nothing but probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 5 plus probability of x equal to 6, like that till 200, because n is 200. We are experimenting with 200 fuses. So that will be a long sum to solve. Okay, what I can do is I'll use the property that sum of all the probabilities is 1. Okay, so sum of probability of x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this till 200 is 1, and this is probability of from 3 to 200. So I will do 1 minus probability of 0 to 3, not including 3, because we are included 3 here. So 1 minus probability of x less than 3 is same as probability of x greater than or equal to 3. So this is nothing but 1 minus probability of x less than 3 is probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2, right? So all the values of random variable, all the random variables less than 3 are 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so we already found out probability of x equal to 0, which is 0.0183. Let us find out probability of x equal to 1 and probability of x equal to 2. So probability of x equal to 1 is, substitute 1 in place of here, x here. So 4 power n e power minus 4 by 1 factorial. This is equal to 4 times e power minus 4 divided by 1. So this is equal to, probability of x equal to 1 is 0.0732. Okay, so that is the probability that x equal to 1. Similarly, probability that x equal to 2 is 4 power 2 e power minus 4 by 2 factorial, that is 16 into e power minus 4 by 2. So that will be 0.1464. Okay, so probability of x equal to 2 is this, probability of x equal to 1 is this. Let us substitute them here. What will we get? 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 is 0.0183 plus probability of x equal to 1 is 0.0732 plus probability of x equal to 2 is 0.1464. So if you add all these things, 1 minus it will be 0.2379. So different. Okay. So probability that probability that in a box containing 200 fuses, we will have 3 or more defective fuses. 1 minus 0.2379, which is nothing but 0.7621. So there is 76% chance that there will be 3 or more defective fuses in a box containing 200 fuses. So there is 0.76 probability that there will be 3 or more defective fuses in a box containing 200 fuses. Okay, so this is the application of knowledge was finding out this is Poisson distribution. How did we do that? We found out first x is an x random variable, and that is a discrete random variable, so it is either binomial Poisson. And we found out that p is very small and n is very large, so that's the condition for Poisson distribution. So we decided Poisson distribution. Probability function of a Poisson distribution is m power x e power minus m by x factorial. M is nothing but NP, or the average number of effective fuses. This will be equal to NP. Substituting for M, we will get this. Use this probability function to find probability of x equal to 0, probability of x greater than 3, greater than equal to 3, less than equal to 3, something like that. The surest way to improve your CGPA is to study the previous year question papers, and this works for all branches, any subjects in VTU. For M4 subject, we have this amazing new product that you simply must have, and this is VTU Exam Video Scanner for M4. So this book includes all the previous question papers, model papers on M4, and it also includes solutions to all the questions in the question papers and model papers. Each solution will have a QR code which will open a video where that solution is explained step by step. Okay. Find the link to buy this book in the description and get your own M4 video scanner today.